Next problem. Money is deposited in a certain account for which the interest is compounded continuously again. If the amount triples in 8 years, what is the annual percentage rate? Parang unang basa ko pa lang, parang 8 lang yung nakikita kong number. So, if the amount triples in 8 years, so meron tayong given na time, which is 8 years. Pero, nag-triple. Halimbawa, nagdeposito ako ng pera sa bangko ngayong taon na to. Sabihin natin piso yung dineposito ko. After 8 years, matitriple na siya. So, from piso, magiging 3. Di ba? Galing. So, what is the annual percentage rate? What is the annual percentage rate? So, R ang mawala. Okay. Pero, pwede ko ba siyang i-assume na piso lang talaga yung inano ko? Pwede naman. Or kung gusto nyo for a general formula, let's say, P is unknown. Siyempre, F is triple ng P. Yan, 3 3 times P. Okay, so F is equal to, ano pa nga ang formula? Yan. Meron na tayong T, 8 years. Okay, so ang nawawala na lang dito ay rate. Paano? Ang mangyayari pala niyan, ma'am, 3P is equal to P E raised to R by 8. Where cancelable, cancelable. Naka-cancel yung P kasi nga constant lang naman siya. Or in other words, that's equal to 3E raised to 8R. Shape solve lang po yan sa calculus, wala nang iba. 3 is equal to alpha P raised to 8X. Ilan yan? Ay, hindi. Tingnan mo, kapag ganito kasi, nag-set ka ng malaking number, may L minus R. So, hindi, dapat 0 lang yan. So, assign ka ulit na medyo maliit-liit na ba? See? Baka naman naloka na kayo dyan. So, R is equal to 0.137 or 137P times 100 ko. 13, tama? Tama. 13.73%. So, see, ang simple lang ng third. As easy as that, y'all.